Hello and welcome back to today's episode of T-SARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today we have our very special coder on the line, Sam.
I'm special.
He is special, and well, no, I gotta say that, it would be very rude if I said we have this very annoying short person on the line, Sam.
Wow.
So some news within brackets. The two badges have been printed. So the school is cool and the trick or treat badges have been 3D printed. So Mia Inzarillo, I believe, has won the school is cool, and I received my trick or treat, and it's looking pretty cool. I mean, there's a lot of detail, and the back is perfect. It's very like textured, in a way, and it looks cool. So I'm very excited to
I love your English.
win the next one. I can't wait to win the next.
Sure you are. I'll let you believe that for now.
Yeah, because Sam, I believe you're working on a game currently.
I am. Thanks for mentioning that.
And I heard you want to give a little hint to what you're working on.
Yes. My hint is Frozen River.
And I know, like, I don't know if this is what's happening on your frozen river, but some people ice skate on frozen rivers. So
I don't think people do that. I don't believe they do.
Then I don't know what they're doing on your frozen river, because the only frozen rivers I've seen is people ice skating on them.
Well, I guess this will be a surprise then.
Yes. Or you're just trying to cover up that it's an ice skating game, but
It's not.
Okay. Well, yeah, so in brackets, you might have heard us say, is officially announced. Start working on your snow day games, and the deadline is January 4th. So you have all Christmas break to work on it. So I hope you put a lot of effort into it.
Before coding, always put your family before coding.
No, never put your family before coding. Never put your family before coding.
That's horrible.
Coding is way more important than family. We all know this.
Wow.
Does your family make you money? Well, yeah, actually they kind of do, but
Yeah, I mean. Try
also,
again, Andrew. Try again.
Does your family make you happy? Oh yeah, they do. Okay, yeah, I might just not win here. I might just not win this argument.
Does your family fill you with joy and make you have good memories? Oh wait, yes they do. Never mind. Dang it.
Yeah, I guess I lost that. Also, for all Hotpod coders, all Hotpod coders. There's a coding club meeting on Tuesday, the
13th.
If I know math, 13th, Tuesday the 13th. No
and
real
I recall that's also someone very important to this coding club. His birthday.
Wow, we'll have to sing them happy birthday.
No, let's make a song in coding.
Happy coding birthday. Happy. I sound so depressed. Happy coding birthday. Happy.
I love this song. Yeah. This is the best song.
Yeah. Also, I would like to put an announcement out there. For anyone in coding class or doing anything, make sure you don't plagiarize. Plagiarism is bad, and we've seen some people kind of forgetting that plagiarism is bad and
remember that there is a report as scratch copy button on Hatch.
Yeah, so if you notice that someone plagiarized and the teachers didn't or something, you can click report as scratch copy, put the link to the scratch game, and it will get reported and the mentors will check it out.
Yeah.
So yeah, or you could go directly to Mr. Farrar or Miss Thompson.
Or anyone else that you know.
Like me. Come straight to me. Everyone comes straight to me, yes.
Interesting choice of wording.
I don't think it was. So yeah, I don't know. I haven't started working on another In Brackets game yet,
Then
but
I don't think you're winning.
yeah,
And you
I
said you
want.
wouldn't participate because your one win was enough.
I think yeah, I believe I did say that, but I got the one badge and now I want another. And if I have
Yes,
access to the
that sounds very
website,
greedy.
yeah, and at one point when my website comes out for In Brackets, I will have full access to the voting numbers. So I might not be allowed to participate anymore, but but I mean, if I keep a secure record that shows the people that voted, hopefully I will still be able to participate. Participate. Sorry about that. Sorry, just something in my throat.
Well,
Don't ask what that was. But yeah, the website's going well. I would put a link to it, but I'm not gonna because it's not done yet. Hopefully the beta will be out by the end of this tournament. But I don't know. Hopefully by the end of the one after this, or the one after that, or the one after that. But hopefully it will come out sometime. I'm not gonna do a well. I guess we can't use names. A JL and be lazy
yeah.
and never do it. Don't ask who JL is. There's James Level. Have you ever heard of James Level? There's him. There's John Loud. John Loud. Don't know if you've heard of him. So there's a lot of JLs out there. So don't just be making assumptions. Um, but yeah, so the website's gonna be cool. There's gonna be a lot of features. We've talked about it before, so if you want to hear more about it, you can go to last episode or I believe the episode before that. I'm not gonna go over it again. But yeah, it's okay. Maybe I will. No, I won't.
Well,
But yeah, so it's coming along swiftly. So hopefully in the next coming month. So
yeah.
Sam, do you want to give any tips on In Brackets, or do you want to keep them all to yourself?
A few of my tips are to not procrastinate. I recently made a story about this. It did not end well.
Yeah. Wow.
Literally. And
He died. Coder died.
interpret the theme however you want. Use as much creativity because that is usually what ends up winning. The more creative
Yeah.
you are, the higher chance you have of getting that nice plastic badge.
It's actually melted plastic to solid plastic. So another word for it would be plastic. Um I love how like I tried to correct him even though he was totally correct and I was like,
I know.
Okay, so thanks for watching, but it's not over. I have a joke of the day. You ready? You all want to hear it?
Not really. No.
Okay. What does Arby's say when they have a hostage?
Oh God. I heard this. Guys, so the answer is
No. I gotta say, it. Okay. They say, we have Denise. I can't even finish it because we have Denise. Like, we have the meat. Denise.
we get it, Andrew. Andrew, we get it. We get it.
So funny. I thought of that and I was like, this is hilarious.
Where did you think of the name Denise?
I was in math class talking to Steven and I was like, Denise, we have Denise. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, signing off, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.
Bye bye.